Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable replies on Instagram story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking your profile picture on the lower right corner of your screen. After that, you want to click on these three little lines on the upper right side of your screen and then click Settings and Privacy. Once you've done that, go ahead and scroll down until you see Messages and Story Replies. Then here you want to click Story Replies and choose Don't Allow Story Replies. And that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.